Namhlanje sizobungaza usuku labantu besifazane lapho inkampani iqhakambisa noma iqhenya ngabantu besifazane abasenkampanini isibonga ukuthi nathi sibalekile sabantu besifazane enkampanini.
Akujwayelekile ukuthi ama-companies abonga abasebenzi especially besifazane, so lokhu kutshengisa ukuthi uLoliwe uyasi-appreciate as abantu besifazane enkampanini.
Working at the port is not easy. So the women that are here and the women that Transnet is celebrating are women of vital importance, especially to our economy, and they need to be celebrated.